Let's talk about an act of man. What is an act of man? An act of man is an activity of man as animal. So we have here three signs of acts of man. Number one, the acts are done indeliberately. The act that is done by a conscious being unknowingly, without knowledge. The particular action requires no knowledge. A man is unconscious of his act being done. Number two, they are not done freely. So a man is not free in doing the act. He is not free. There is an external factor that influence the person. So he is not free. Number three, they are not done involuntarily. Example, a man is not willfully done the act. The action here doesn't emanate from the heart of a conscious being. This means to say that the action of the person does not emanate from the heart. The acts of man are instinctive and are not within the control of the will. So we have here some examples of an act of man. Example number one, beating of the heart. Number two, metabolism. Number three, respiration. Number four, fear. Number five, anger. Number six, love. Seven, acts done during sleep or dream. And lastly, number eight, sensations. So these are all done indeliberately, not freely and involuntarily. So that is the meaning of an act of man. Thank you, and I hope you learned a lot.